In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online on YouTube, especially. Let's say you're in the health and fitness niche. The health and fitness, what you talk about living good, watching your weight, and all, eating good, the good things, eating the bad stuff, and all. Just minding your body, your yeah, minding what you eat, minding yourself. So this niche is a good niche because people take it really seriously because it has changed lives over the years, it has made people lose weight. So you can be the person that teach them how to have a good health just by maybe you can create a video because it seems people like this. This one have 159,000 views. Sorry. So they have views, 7 million views, 687,000 views. So this is basically all of them. Because if they don't have views, that means the niche is not that popping. Or you can use AI videos, for example. If you don't want to create the videos by yourself, do it like this one. You can use AI generated videos. You can pay someone on Upwork. You say health and fitness videos. Health and fitness videos. Then you see them. Then you see the people that can do it. Fitness coach, nutritionist. Yeah. Exercises videos. All those kind of videos. I'm pay this guy $62 per hour to do like exercise videos for you. Then you put all those AI in background. Just be creative. You get me? Or you can do them by yourself if you want to. You understand? But record yourself talking about it. If you're not that good in fitness, you can do your research and all in health and fitness. Just do research. You'll be good to go. And to make the money, let's go to the important place. The money, if you want to make the money, you can use stuff, sites like Digistore24. Can promote something like this, you make $126 for this, $85, 37. There are a lot. It depends on what you want to promote. Just do your research. First of all, you go to digital products, then health and fitness. Get me? So that's if you promote this. Imagine 10 people per day. You create bunches of videos. 10 people per day, $1,200. Times a month is $30,000, bro. Just more than $30,000. You need to wake up, bro. Don't sleep on this. Get me? So if you don't like this strategy, let me know in the comments. Then if you're interested in other ways, if you're interested in like skyrocketing your income, I have an offer for you. Go to the second link in the description. It has changed so many lives, and it will change yours too. You get me? So don't forget to go to the second link in the description. As for me, I'm out.